Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. This one in here, that is about ceiling function. So if we graph about this one, they should be like this. Now I will put about the white dot and the black dot. So this is about 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we see that t approach to number 4 on the right. That means they will go from here to here. Here is about on the right of number 4 in here. So we see that when t approach to number 4 on the right, so on the right that's it about this area, and that's it about number 5. When t approach to number 4 only for t, we put number 4 going here, that's it about number 4. This one, that's it about number 5. So we have 4 minus number 5 equals to negative number 1. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.